Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on satellite mode in Google Maps step by step. Satellite mode lets you view real satellite images of locations around the world. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Google Maps website. If you want to view a specific place, type the location into the search box, then press Enter. Once the location appears on the map, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the Layers button. A menu will appear with different map types. Click Satellite. Google Maps will now switch from the standard map view to satellite mode. You can use your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Click and drag the map to explore different areas. If you want to return to the normal map view, click the Layers button again. Then select Default. And that's it. You've successfully turned on satellite mode in Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.